For this installation, we are going to be doing our Momentum M400 and S250 MxV amplifiers. We'll be covering how to turn them on and installation from the back. Here we have our mono block. A couple things you'll notice different if you have a stereo is the speaker terminals. I have an extra set of these, and I'll have an extra input on here. So our XLR, I'm going to go top notch in. If you like to remove it, just push and pull notches to the top, to the sky. For our speaker terminals, we're going to do black is on the right and red is on your left. Here's our AC in. If you need it, there's an extra fuse in here. And back here, we have our 12-volt trigger in, which you can come from your source, and you can daisy chain to your other mono block or stereo, whatever you have. Our AC in, we'll just plug this in here. For the Momentum amps, there is no breaker in the back. It's just the switch under the front. So to turn it on, we'll plug our power cord into the back, and then the power button is right under the front, about that far in, and we'll listen for our relays. There we go. To change the meter on the back, there's two settings. There's a low, off, and high. I'd like to thank everybody on behalf of the D'Agostino team for watching this video today. If you have any questions or comments, please message us or give us a call. We hope that you are enjoying your product, or if you just got it, we also hope that you are enjoying the listening. So thank you again. Please subscribe to our channel.